it without you.
You can't. You need us.
I have what I need. I have the 3 prophecy warriors who are...
Warriors you have been lying to. Warriors who might pay with their lives.
So what? We're going through that gate. Together we will kill Lord Ground, and I will have my revenge.
Is that true? You're taking us through the gate?
To kill the god of war?
Greetings, Riku, Jimmy, Pichu.
Greetings, spooky weirdo.
Pichu no like one-eyed pretty boy. Too fancy.
Oh, hey.
Well, you clearly have things to discuss. I should go. Please, consider my offer, Maya. I know what you think of the gods, but we're not all monsters.
You know, that is exactly what a monster would do, right?
Well, Princess Maya, I'll see you soon.
Anyway, hi. Are you guys mad?
This whole time you've been lying to all of us. But you told me we were going to destroy the Divine Gate, not go through it.
Technically, I told Jimmy I'd introduce her to the goddess of death. How else do you think she'd get to meet her?
That's not better.
I opened up to you and told me nothing but lies. This is what I get for ever trusting a human.
Now Pichu know what Deca girl is good at. Lying.
Okay, yes, I lied. But together we're invincible. We're the warriors of the prophecy. Can't you see that?
Pichu still in for mission to fight his noble cause. But we're not friends.
I'm still in. I don't have to like you to fight for my redemption. Liar.
Do I still get to meet the goddess of death? Unfortunately, yeah, I think we're gonna. Then I'll do it. For me, not for you, serpent tongue.